people are writers? Put up your hand. How many people of you are directors, actors? Put up your hand. Look around. Your next collaborator could be in this room right now.
But now more than ever, I think people want to connect with one another.
I also remember when I was teaching at Humber, there was a guest speaker who said, comedy is for young men. And I remember thinking, I'll show you.
I think that if we start really supporting each other and sharing each other's work, we will conquer this thing. Also, fuck the patriarchy.
Dictionary, the word blaze means a very large or fiercely burning fire. And it truly represents the spirit of the women that are here in this room right now.